All right, so today what I wanted to do is just kind of take you through a step-by-step process of how to log into your MyCRA account, how to authorize a representative, and how to find your business number on the MyCRA account. All right, so in this quick little tutorial, it's going to bring you through the process of logging into your MyCRA account, authorizing a representative, and then also authorizing a representative on your business account. So to begin with, you're going to want to use this link down here, and it's going to bring you to this landing page where you click on the green button, sign into your MyCRA account. After that, you're going to be on this landing page, and my best advice is to click on the sign-in partner. So with the sign-in partner, what happens there is it's going to give you a list of different financial institutions, banks, credit unions, and then you're able to use your credentials and your login with your financial institution to be able to log into your MyCRA. After you successfully log into your financial institution, it's going to ask you for the multi-factor authentication. Easiest way probably to do it would just be click telephone. And then I always get them to just text me. It's really fast, really simple, and you can get it done right away. And it'll give you a one-time passcode, which you would put up here in this box. And then my best advice is to put do not ask me to input the one-time passcode again for the next 8 hours if you're on your own personal computer. But if you're using a shared computer, probably best not to choose that one. And after that, this is your landing page, and you're successfully logged into your MyCRA account. Now in this next part, I'm going to show you how you're able to authorize a representative. And this is usually done for any of your financial professionals doing things like filing your taxes or getting access to any of your slips that you need. So to authorize a representative, what you're going to want to do is when you're in that main login part after you've logged into CRA, you want to click on Profile. After you click on Profile, you're going to see all of your information here. You'll have your mailing address, your home address, your phone number, your direct deposit info that CRA deposits your benefits or any of your income tax returns in, marital status, all of that. But what we're looking for the authorized representative is just down here in the authorized representative section. And you're just going to want to click on add. And then it's really an easy process. You're just going to have to answer a few questions. So click on start. And then it's going to ask you for a rep ID. A rep ID is a number that your financial representative probably would have given you in order to authorize them onto your MyCRA account. So you're going to want to put that number in, and then it's going to bring up their information. So this is my rep ID, and then it has my information and the business phone number. And then there's an option to pick different levels of authorization. And you're going to want to go ahead and pick level 2, so that way your representative can fully go into your account and be able to get any of the information that they need, like notice of assessments or any of your income slips or any of your RSP slips. And then it's going to get you to review and confirm all the information that you just got and put into there. And success! Now you've authorized your representative with MyCRA. So another thing people have asked for is, what if I've authorized a representative, but it's from a long time ago and I want them off of there? No sweat, I got you. So again, from your main screen, you're going to want to click on Profile, and then near your authorized representatives, underneath it, there's going to be a few different options here. You can confirm pending authorizations, which is when your representative sent through an authorization on their end. You can view your authorized representatives. So anybody that you've authorized before in the past, they'll be there. And then if there's anybody that you don't want any longer, it's easy enough to just click the delete. And last but not least, I'll show you quickly how to authorize your representative on your business account. So to do that, it's pretty similar to authorizing a representative on your personal account. But if you have a MyCRA business account, it's going to bring you to this landing page. You might not have the representative option, but you'll have the individual and you'll have the business here. So what you're going to want to do is click on business, and then very similarly, click on profile. And at the bottom right, you're going to click on add. And then it's going to bring you through a series of questions again, and you click start. Again, you're going to want to put in that representative ID, and then it's going to give you a scope of authorizations to choose from. It's always best to just click all accounts, so that way your financial representative can go in and assist you with things like filing your GST and being able to get all the information needed for your business. And then what you're going to want to do here again is minimum have them as level 2, so that way they're able to go in and get the information that they need. And then it's going to give you an option to review everything, and then success. Now you've authorized a representative in your MyCRA business account.